Good morning to all my dear student, ninth class. How are you all? And how's I hope your study is going on well. You all are be well. And now let us see a poem, a legend of the Northland. It's very interesting poem, and it's not only a poem, a story hidden inside this poem. See, this poem narrates the legend of an old lady who angered the Saint Peter because of her greediness, of her greed. A ballad is a song narration, a story in short stanzas. Ballad are a part of folk culture or popular culture and are passed on orally from the generation to the next generation. A legend of the Northland is a ballad. Is this poem is a ballad? It's taken from the narrating is short story stanza ballads, and it's showing the culture and popular culture, and it's verbally said to generation to the next generation, and it's an interesting ballad, a hidden story inside it. See, away, away in the Northland, where the hours of the day are few and the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. Away, away in the Northland. Let us see about the Northland. Away, away. Let us see about the Northland, where the hours of the day are few. These the days are short than the nights. They are वे जहाँ hours of the day are few. वे there the hours of the days are short. जहाँ दिन के घंटे कम हैं. The days are short and nights are the long. Days are the short and the nights are so long in winter. In winter season, days are short and nights are long. In the winter season, that they can't sleep them through, and they can't sleep whole night because nights are long than the day. With the harness the swift reindeer to the sleighs when it snows, and the children look like bear's cubs in their funny furry clothes. Way the harness, that's the hardships, kathinaiyaan, difficulties, hardness, and swift reindeer, the fast, quick reindeer. Reindeer is a type of animal which is found in the poles. Reindeers जो है एक तरह के डॉग्स टाइप ऑफ एनिमल होते हैं, और ये स्लेज कार्ट को पुल करते हैं. दे पुल द स्लेज कार्ट ऑन द स्नोवी लैंड. स्नोज, ये बर्फ पे स्लेज कार्ट को खींचते हैं. तो स्विफ्ट द क्विक रेंडियर टू द स्लेज कार्ट. यहाँ स्लेज कार्ट को कौन चलाते हैं? रेंडियर. हैव यू सीन द जो 25 दिसंबर को सेंटा आता है, उसकी गाड़ी जो है वो स्लेज कार्ट होती है और जिसे रेंडियर ही खींच रहे हैं. इट्स टाइप ऑफ डियर टाइप ऑफ एनिमल. रेंडियर डियर टाइप ऑफ होते हैं. तो देखिए, दे पुल द स्लेज ऑन द स्नो व्हेन इट स्नो. व्हेन स्नोफॉल highly snowfall and earth is covered with the snow, the reindeers pull the sleighs cart, and the children look like the bear's cubs. And the children who wear the furry coats, fur clothes, they look like the bear's cub. They look like cute say bear cubs because they want to protect them in the woolens, and their woolens is made of the furs. So they look like very funny and they look like बियर्स कब. तो वो भालू के बेबी जैसे नज़र आते हैं उन फर वाले कोट्स में. इन देयर फनी स्टाइल, इन ए फरी क्लोथ्स, इन ए वेरी फरी क्लोथ्स, फर वाली ड्रेसेस में. फरी क्लोथ्स यानी कि जैसे हम देखिए फर वाली ड्रेसेस, फर वाले कोट वियर करे हुए रहते हैं, वुलन्स. एंड दे टेल दैम ए क्यूरियस स्टोरी, एंड दे टेल दैम, उन्हें सुनाई जाती है एक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी, और वेरी क्यूरियस स्टोरी देता है. एंड देयर elders tell them an interesting story, a very curious story. I don't believe it's true, but it's a culture. They tell their next generation, and yet you may learn a lesson. And with this story, you understand a lesson, you will find a lesson, you will learn a lesson. If I tell you tale to you, if I tell you, यदि मैं आपको वो स्टोरी बताता हूँ, द टेल टू यू, वो स्टोरी क्या है? I tell you, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Once when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it preaching, just as did you know. Once once upon a time when the very generous good saint, जो संत यानी संत पीटर जो थे, सेंट पीटर, a generous heart, very nice person, very good saint Peter lived in a world when he was in the world, जब वो दुनिया में थे below, and walked about it, and they take the round of the world. They go village to village, city to city, and to spreading their culture by their preaching यानी जैसे हम कहें होली वर्ड्स, प्रवचन सुनाना, preach, to spread their stories of their culture, of their religious, when they spreading their religious culture, just as he did, जैसा कि वो करते थे. You know what do you know about them? He came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. And what happened with him? उसके साथ क्या होता है? He didn't cook their food on self. वो अपना खाना खुद नहीं बनाते जो सेंट होते हैं. He came to the door of a cottage. He reached to door of a house. वो एक हाउस के गेट पर पहुंचते हैं. They reach towards a house towards a door of a house. वो एक घर के दरवाजे पर जाते हैं. In traveling round the earth, when he was taking the round of the earth means when he was running door to door of a village, when he was running village to preaching, जब वो preach करते हुए, प्रवचन देते हुए village to village जाते थे, and they walk towards the home to home, gate to gate, round, they take the round of the earth, where a little woman was making cakes. In their house, a small short-heighted woman was making cakes, baking cakes, मतलब केक बना रही थी, उन्हें बेक कर रही थी, उन्हें पका रही थी. She was baking cake inside the house and baking them on the hearth. Hearth यानी गैस ओवन, चूल्हा जो होता है. He was baking the cake on the gas oven, on the gas, and being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from the store of the cakes to give him a single one. The Saint Peter was very hungry on that time. He was preaching, he was walking village to village, and he didn't cook himself. And being faint यानी hungriness, with fasting, tired, faint यानी tiredness होना, जिसे कहें he was feeling very tired, and fasting, he didn't eat anything the whole day, and he was hungry. Fasting यानी hungry, he was hungry from the whole day and he didn't take a bite, and he was feeling tired. He was taking the round of village to village, he was taking the round of the earth. For the day was almost done, the day was going to be complete. It's the evening time. A saint was standing on the door. The saint was Peter, who was asking. He asked her short-height woman for a single piece of cake from her store. उस short-height woman से उसने पूछा, store of a cake to give him a single one. The Saint Peter asked the lady to give him a single piece of a cake from the store. उसने जो इतने सारे केक, a lot of number of cake she cooked, उसने बहुत सारे केक बना के रखे हुए थे अपने स्टोर में. And the Saint Peter asked her to give him a single piece of cake. उसने एक केक देने के लिए उसने पूछा, एक टुकड़ा केक देने के लिए उसने पूछा उसके ढेर में से. And what he replied, we will see in the next.